Hey guys, today we're going to show you guys how to clean your wheels as well as protect and maintain them. Let's get started. Step 1, rinse. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we just rinsed off the wheel. However, there's still a ton of dirt, grime, and brake dust left behind that we want to thoroughly clean up. Now, thanks to our Chemical Guys Freeloader bucket and Dolly storage organizer, we have everything that we need clipped onto our buckets and the Dolly right here next to us. So we have all our cleaning chemicals, all of our brushes, and everything and anything that we'll need to clean, shine, and protect these wheels. All right guys, so let's get into this clean. So right here, what I'm gonna start off with is actually with my Diablo wheel gel. Now, I always use Diablo wheel gel no matter what type of finish wheel I'm using it on, because this thing is pH neutral, which means it works great on all wheel finishes, and it's also gonna work as an emulsifier, so it's gonna help me uplift dirt, grime, and brake dust on the surface to allow for a more gentle and more lubricated clean. And it's super easy. All you need to have is your bucket filled with fresh, clean water, and all you have to do is put about a good squirt in there, and you're all ready to go. Now what I'm also gonna do right now is take the time to dunk all of my brushes in there that I'm gonna be using. So I have my big blue stiffy right here, which I'm gonna be using to scrub the tire. I have my green Wheelie flag tip brush, which I'm gonna use to scrub the face of the wheel. I have my easy reach brush right here, which is a flexible and long bristle brush that's gonna allow me to get deep into the barrel. And then I also have some soft boar's hair brushes right here as well, so that I can use to clean the lug nuts and all the intricate areas of these wheels. So now that we have that all situated, the primary wheel cleaner that we're going to be using today is going to be our Signature Series wheel cleaner. Now this is a citrus-based wheel cleaner, so this is definitely going to do a great job at tackling all the heavy dirt, grime, and brake dust that are on the surface of these Lexus wheels. So what I'm going to also do right now is activate my suds from the Diablo in my bucket. I'm going to begin to spray my cleaner onto the wheel surface and start agitating with our brushes. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is grab my Signature Series wheel cleaner and coat the wheel with a nice, fine, even layer. That way we have enough cleaning power on the wheel to break down all this grime and brake dust. And I'm also gonna spray inside the barrel as well, because we wanna make sure that we achieve that ultimate clean. Set my bottle down into my Freeloader here, and now I'm gonna grab my easy reach brush, coat it in some nice suds right here from that Diablo wheel gel. Then I'm gonna begin to start cleaning the barrel of these Lexus wheels. Now, whenever you're cleaning your wheels, you always wanna make sure, just like how you wash your paint, start from the top, work your way down. So in this case, I did start on this spoke, but I'm moving my way over here and then back over here and going down and around as I'm cleaning the wheel. And right away, you guys can definitely see all the suds that this Diablo had to offer. And that's why I love Diablo, because it gives you that extreme sudsing action, which emulsifies all that dirt, grime, and brake dust, and really allows you to have the safest wheel cleaning experience possible. All right, so now that we're done cleaning the barrel of the wheel, what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna grab my Wheelie flag tip brush right here and start cleaning the face of the wheel just like so. And if you need to, you can also feel free to grab some more wheel cleaner and spray just a little bit more for some added cleaning power. And that's nice and handy that we have our Freeloader right there, because we can easily grab everything and have everything easy reach. And now we're just gonna begin to start scrubbing the face of the wheel. Same thing, starting from top, working our way around and down. And as you guys can see, the Wheelie has these awesome flag tip bristles, which are extremely flexible and extremely soft, and they also do an incredible job at giving you the maximum coverage on any type of wheel finish. So, you know, whether you have super intricate wheels, super broad wheels, this has a nice flag tip material, so it can flex in between the spokes as well as cover large areas all at once. Then you can also come back to your bucket, just kind of wring it loose from any kind of brake dust that accumulates on your bristles of your brush, grab some more suds, and continue the cleaning process. and now that we're done cleaning the face of the wheel, we can grab our boar's hair brush. I know I already dunked one in there, but the great thing about this freeloader is that you have multiple compartments for brushes. So if you already have one in your bucket, cool. If you want to grab another one, even better. So I'm just gonna grab this one right here, grab some suds, and then start cleaning the intricate areas like the lug nuts, the emblem right here in the middle, and the valve stem. Alright guys, so now that we're done cleaning all the intricate areas, I did go back to clean out some of the little crevices right here in between the spokes, just because I realized that there was still some grime behind, which is great because, you know, that's exactly what these on the details brushes are for. So the next thing that I'm actually going to do is dig into my bucket here and reach for my big blue stiffy, which I'm going to be using to scrub the tire. I don't know if you guys saw before I rinsed it, this thing was super brown. So in order to remove that, we're going to grab some more cleaner, spray onto the surface of the tire, grab some more cleaning suds, and then scrub it down. And check that out, you guys. As soon as I start scrubbing, that foam, which is supposed to be a white colored foam, it has this very brown kind of tint to it. That's all the dirt, grime, and brake dust that accumulates on your tires. And if you guys aren't scrubbing your tires whenever you're cleaning your wheels, I would highly advise doing so, simply because this is releasing all the dirt and embedded oils and grime that are sitting on your tire. So whenever you apply a dressing, if you were to have all this grime on there, odds are it's not gonna bond very well and it's gonna fling right onto your vehicle. But by cleaning them, you're gonna avoid that entirely and creating a super durable bond whenever you apply your tire shine for it to last its longest and shine its best. Alrighty guys, so now that we are completely done cleaning all the parts of the wheel, now it's time to rinse it off and inspect their final results. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we're done cleaning the wheel. Now it's time to show you guys how to protect and maintain them. So right now what I'm gonna do is actually grab my bucket, spin it around, and I'm gonna show you guys what I have right here in my gray freeloader. That's right, this freeloader comes in two different colors. You have the black one that we use for our wheel cleaning products, and now we have this gray one down here, which also is cool because it clips onto your bucket dolly wheels. So you can clip it onto your bucket, or you can also clip it on your dolly as well, which is super versatile and allows you to have everything that you need in easy reach. Like I mentioned, I have everything here. Like I didn't have to go walk back and forth to get something that I didn't need. I had everything here nicely set up in these very convenient freeloader storage organizers. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to protect the wheel. So right here, we're gonna grab our HydroSpin wheel and rim ceramic coating, as well as one of our black microfiber applicators. Now, HydroSpin is great because this is gonna create a durable, long-lasting layer of ceramic protection onto the wheel surface, as well as enhancing it with those ceramic shine properties, as well as those incredible hydrophobic properties as well. And it's super easy to use. All you need is your microfiber applicator, grab some HydroSpin, spray a light coat onto your microfiber applicator, and then you can begin applying it to the surface of your wheel in an even manner. So same thing, starting from top, working your way down. And with this product, it's super easy to use. All you have to do is apply a nice fine layer onto the surface of your wheels. And then what you want to do is let that sit from anywhere from about 30 seconds up to 2 minutes, depending on the environment. If it's a warmer day, I would recommend letting it sit for 30 seconds. If it's a colder day, you can let it sit for up to 2 minutes before wiping it off. And this product is also a quick detailer, so if you're not using it as a ceramic coating like how I'm using it right here, maybe your wheels are already coated with some HydroSpin or you have an existing protective layer on your wheels, you can actually use it as a quick detailer as well. And to use it, all you have to do is just simply spray it onto a microfiber towel, wipe down the surface of your wheels, and you're on your way to incredible shine and protection. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 seconds longer. All right guys, so it's been about 30 seconds, so now I'm gonna grab my microfiber towel and buff it off and unveil that incredible shine. And one other great thing about HydroSpin is that whenever you're wiping it off, you can tell right away the extreme slickness difference. As I'm wiping this off, it's extremely slick, and really what this is gonna allow your wheels to do is block out a lot of contaminants from sticking. So, you know, brake dust, that's like the #1 enemy of wheels. So as you can imagine, this has an incredible protection against brake dust from clinging onto the surface of your wheels. That way, the next time that you clean your wheels, you're not gonna have so much brake dust to deal with, and this, in the long run, also keep your wheels cleaner for longer. All right guys, and just like that, you've successfully ceramic coated your wheels. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head on over back to our freeloader here, grab ourselves our bottle of Galactic Black Wet Look Tire Shine Coating, as well as one of our foam applicator pads. Now, we're gonna apply this to our tires because, as you guys can tell, the wheels look great, the tires look great, they're clean, but we can make them look better with a nice little pop of shine. So I'm gonna move my dolly here just a little bit, that way I can access the rest of the tire. I'm gonna grab some Galactic Black and spray onto my foam applicator. And then I'm gonna start applying it onto the surface of my tire here to give it that crisp, wet shine. All right guys, and just like that, we are completely done with this full wheel cleaning, shining, protection, and maintenance. The maintenance comes with the HydroSpin, so like I mentioned earlier, this is also a quick detailer, so use it in between washes to clean up light layers of dirt, grime, brake dust. You're on your way to a car show, give it a quick little cleanup before the show for that award-winning shine. And I also couldn't have done all this today without our freeloaders. These are our brand new products, so if you guys are very interested in these products, they're brand new and fully available on our website right now, chemicalguys.com. And these things, they not only serve as a perfect sidekick for your wheel cleaning regimen, but you can also use them for a multitude of different things car related, such as washing your car, fill it up with your foam cannon, your wash mitt, and everything you need to wash your car. You can also use them for interior cleaning, so you can have all of your interior cleaning brushes and all your chemicals at hand whenever you're cleaning your super grimy fabrics and cloths. You can also pair this with you whenever you're polishing around your vehicle. You can have all your compounds and polishes, pads, brushes, and everything necessary in order to get rid of those scratches and swirls on your ride. These things are universal. You can use them on practically any application. You can have all your tools and supplies ready and in easy reach. All right guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, and if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on our future videos. And like I mentioned already, the freeloaders are available, so visit our website, chemicalguys.com, if you want to pick up those and or any of the other products that we use in today's video. My name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'll see you guys next time.